Well, Hurricane Debbie slammed into the Big Bend area of northern Florida and made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane. Multiple days of torrential rainfall are forecast across the southeastern United States. In addition to striking Florida, the storm is expected to cause potentially historic flooding in areas like South Carolina and even Georgia.
Maybe immediate impacts that you see, but you could also see flooding that happens days afterwards, after the storm passes.
Now, tens of thousands of people are without power, and that number is expected to grow. I think one of the biggest concerns with this storm, I mean, when you hear about a hurricane that is a Category 1, you think, oh, well, that's not that bad.
Yeah.
But then when it lingers and there's just rainfall after rainfall after rainfall, I mean, that's when it gets really dangerous.
It does. Remember, Beryl was a Category 1 hurricane, you know, when it made landfall as well. So any hurricane, any landfalling tropical system obviously is a concern. As we take a look at exactly what's going on, you can see that Debbie made landfall near Steinhatchee, Florida earlier this morning between the 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock Central Time hours, and is continuing now to drive its way to the north. So the latest information shows that in some spots of the west sides of Florida, picking up as much as 16 inches of rain, almost near 16 inches of rain over a 48-hour period. You notice that purple color increasing through parts of north central Florida and will continue through parts of Georgia and South Carolina over the next few days because Debbie is going to slow down. Now, that center of circulation at last check was 60 miles northwest of Cedar Key. It is continuing that northerly track at 10 miles per hour. We're going to get another update here probably in about 20 to 30 minutes. Last check, winds have decreased to 75 miles per hour. Moving inland through the day today, continuing through southeast Georgia into tomorrow evening near Savannah, and then going into Tuesday night, into Wednesday morning, out over the open water. You're going to notice that this track gets a little wonky as we go into Wednesday night, then into Thursday, kind of meandering its way around back into parts of South Carolina because the upper level steering flow is just kind of stagnant a little bit. So it's keeping it closer towards South Carolina. Then I think as we go through Friday to Saturday, right now, continuing to rain itself out through parts of North Carolina. So that's why it's a concern. It's going to be slow moving. A large amount of rain is going to be possible just over the next 24 to 48 hours in some spots of Georgia, picking up near 13 inches of rain, parts of South Carolina near 13 to 15 inches of rain. So flooding a big concern. Now here our concern is the heat. Hot and sunny days ahead. We have that sunshine in full force right now as you step on out of the door. Temperature right now is sitting at 83 in Fort Worth. It just feels even warmer than that. We're at 83 at DFW with an easterly wind at 5, feeling like 88 degrees. Across North Texas, where temperatures are sitting at 85 in Dallas to 84 Palestine to 82 Waxahachie, 83 in Arlington to 82 in Keller. Feeling a little bit warmer than that, feeling like 87 in Fort Worth to 89 at Love Field. So through the day ahead, temperatures warming their way to about 95 degrees by 2, on our way up to 98 degrees, 97 to 98 degrees through the day ahead. What's changing? This area of high pressure expands east over the next few days, wipes out any chance of any precip for us, and just gets us hot. As we go into Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be up to 104 to 105. The records are 106 to 107. Might need some alerts for Wednesday and Thursday with this dangerous heat on the way. Small cool down into the weekend, but still in the triple digits.